Hello audience, welcome to this exciting tutorial on creating and referencing class libraries in ASP.NET Core. We all try to write clean, reusable and maintainable code, right? Today I am here to share a professional approach that takes your ASP.NET Core project to the next level. In this video, I will take you through one of the most practical approaches in real-world software development, creating and referencing class libraries in ASP.NET Core. This is not just about theory, it is about building a structured, maintainable, and scalable application like professionals do. By the end of this video, you will understand how to separate business logic and data access into class libraries and integrate them seamlessly into an ASP.NET Core basic project. Let's dive in and build something amazing. This video explains how to create class libraries and reference them to other libraries. And we will create a solution named Inventory Management. And this solution will contain multiple class library projects. Let's look at the steps we are going to do in this video. In our first step, we will create the main project, Inventory Management. This project will serve as the core of the application, handling requests and managing the connections between the business logic and the data access layers. Then we will create a class library named Data Access Library. This Data Access Library will contain data-related classes, models, and repository interfaces. Then we will create a class library named Business Logic Library. This Business Logic Library contains service classes for business operations. And then we will referencing Data Access Library in Business Logic Library. Referenced Data Access Library in Business Logic Library allow us the service classes to access the data. Then we will referencing Business Logic Library in Inventory Management or main project, and referencing this Business Logic Library to Inventory Management allow the controller classes to access service classes methods in Business Logic Library. And before running the solution, we will have to configure dependency injection in program.cs in the main project. Let's go to our first step. Our first step is creating a ASP.NET Core MVC project named Inventory Management. Let's open Visual Studio. This is our Visual Studio 2022. Select Create a new project. Then select ASP.NET Core Web App Model View Controller. Then next, name the project is Inventory Management. Put this location. Then next. Okay, we have just created a project named Inventory Management. And this is a MVC project. And in this solution, Inventory Management, we are going to take a class library for our data access layer. Add new project, class library. Next. Name it Data Access Library. Next. Get. we have created a data access library. A default class has been created here. We don't need this class, so remove it. Now we want to take two folders in this class library. Add folder. The first folder is for our models. Then take folder. The second folder is for our repository. Let's take a model here. Class. Class. Name the class is product. This is our product class. Change this internal into public. Now we want to put some properties in our class. Suppose these are the properties of product class. Put it required. Now we have created our product class. Now we want to take a repository in our repository folder. Add, select class. Since it is a repository class, so we want to put the name is product repository. Product repository. We want to make it public. And I want to take an interface here. Public interface product repository. We want to put some methods to our interface, repository interface. Suppose these are our methods. Using get all products, we will get all products from our storage, and add product, we will add product to our storage, and remove product, we will remove product from our storage. To get all products, we should have a product list, and that is why we want to put a product list in our product repository. And suppose this is our product list, and in this product list we will get using our get all products, and we will add products to this list, and we'll remove product from this list using all of our methods. Suppose this product list is our storage or database. Okay, let's implement our repository interface to our repository class. It is showing error because still we don't implement our interface in our repository class. Implement interface. Then add product. We will add products to our products list. So type products.add product, and then get all products. We will return this product list, then return underscore products. Then we'll have to put to list. Then we'll remove a product from our product list, and that is why we want to put remove code in this method. Underscore products dot remove. product. And this is our repository class. Let's recall what we have done. We created a solution named inventory management. Then we have created a class library named data access library. In data access library, we created a folder to put our product model and a repository folder to put our product repository. And in our third step, now we take a class library named business logic library, and where we will put our service classes. Now let's take a class library, add new project, class library, next, name this class library business logic library, next, get. A default class has been created. We are not using this class, so we can delete this class. Now we want to take a folder in our business logic library, add folder, name it service, in this folder let's take a service class, add class, and we want to name it product service, and this is our product service class. Make it public. Let's take an interface. Okay, our product service has been created. Now we will have to access our data access layer from this service layer or from this business logic layer. To do this, we'll have to reference data access layer to this business logic layer. Let's do it. We are going to reference our data access library to this business logic library. That means data access layer to business logic layer. Let's reference data access layer. Right click on business logic library project, then add, then project reference. Look, here in our list data access library is showing. Select it. Okay, done. In our business logic library, data access library has been referenced. Now from our business logic access to our data access library. And to do this, we'll have to use this namespace using data access library dot models, then using data access library dot repository. Now from this product service, let's access the data access layer. Let's put some methods in our product service interface. Then go to the data access library repository, product repository, and take these methods and put this method to product service interface. Let's implement this product service interface to our product service class. Implement interface. Okay, before modifying these methods, we need to inject our repository to our product service class. Public product service, we'll go to the repository, take this I repository class interface, name it repository, then take a property here, public I product repository underscore repository. Underscore repository to repository. Now we have injected our repository in our product service class. Now we are going to modify our methods. Underscore repository dot add product return underscore repository dot get all products. Then in above method underscore repository dot remove product. Put this object here. And that's all in our service class. We accessed the data access library from the business logic library. Now we want to access this business logic library from a controller. And to do this, we'll have to reference our business logic library to our main project name inventory management. Let's reference our business logic library to our main project. Right click on this project. Add project reference. Then click business logic library. Then click OK. Our business logic library has been added our main project. Now let's see how to access this product service from a controller. Expand this project, go to the controller. There is already a controller named home controller. We want to access our product service from this home controller. Click on this home controller. In home controller, we want to inject our product service. Then first we will have to put the namespace of this product service using business logic library dot service. Now let's inject the product service. We don't need to inject this one, so we want to delete it. Now private I product service. And put an underscore here. A product service. Let's access the service class from index action map. Underscore product service dot get all products dot to list. And we want to put this list in a variable var products and this is how you can access the product service from your controller. Now run the project. Let's see what is happening. Look, there is a error throwing. And what is the issue? The issue is we have to configure our service in our program.cs class. Okay, let's configure or let's register our product service in our program.cs class. Open program.cs. Here, builder.services.add scoped I product service product service. Then another one is I product repository then product repository. Done. Then restart the project. Look, now our project is running successfully. Now let's put a debugger in our home controller. And we want to see what is happening, whether our service class is returning the list or not. And refresh the browser. Look, in controller, there are two product lists. And our service is returning us two products. And these two products we put in our product repository, these two products. Let's review our steps, what we have done. First, we created a main project, that means ASP.NET Core MVC project named Inventory Management. Then we have created a class library named Data Access Library. Why we put two folders, one is for our model and the another is for our repository. Then we have created a business logic library where we took a folder named service and we put our business logic library services, and name was product service class. And during this time we referenced our data access library to our business logic library, and then we access our service class from our controller. And to do this, we referenced our business logic library to our main project. And then we configured dependency injection in program.cs in the main project. And this is how you can create class library and reference them to other libraries or other projects. I hope this video not only clarified your doubts but also inspired you to adopt better practices in your development project. Remember, clean and modular code is the hallmark of a great developer. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and it really means a lot to us. Don't forget to share it with your friends who might benefit from this as well. For more such insightful tutorials, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out the exciting content we have lined up just for you. And hey, if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to drop a positive comment below. Your feedback is always appreciated. It helps us grow and bring you even better content. Thank you for joining us today, and as always, happy coding. Until next time, stay curious, keep building amazing things, and take care.